Let's get into this melanated stir-fry rice. And I said melanated because we using wild rice, okay? Which is traditionally dark brown, unlike that toxic mucus-forming bleach white rice that people usually eat. Don't let wild rice scare you, okay? It's very easy to cook. Just gonna soak it overnight, then add it to some boiling salted water, just like you would regular rice, and bam, that's how it come out. Now let's prep these organic electric vegetables. I'm gonna be using some zucchini, some pepper, 2 types of onions. We're gonna throw in them green onions. I'm gonna saute those in a cast iron skillet. Of course, we got to season it. I'm using our all-purpose seasoning. Y'all stay tuned for that. But yeah, towards the end is when I'm gonna throw in them green onions and a little bit of ginger, trying to keep them classic, Asian flavors. Then we're gonna throw in that wild rice. Make sure it's all nice and stirred. And we're gonna throw in some coconut aminos instead of soy sauce because we not messing with soy. And it comes out so bomb like this, y'all. We served it up with some fried mushrooms. This meal is so easy and it don't leave you sluggish. If you're new to this plant-based cooking, hit the link in our bio and grab that alkaline cookbook for exact measurements. So good, people gonna be eating off your plate.